So, as a reminder, for each item, app, or plugin, we create a unique control board for you to operate while on your video platform. The buttons on the control panel will vary depending on the items you're operating. Here is a sample of the Media Player app, and the Text Overlay app, and the Filter app. Nevertheless, we aim to make the control panels as user-friendly and intuitive as possible. But with all the assets on the app, how are you going to be able to manage them while in your classroom? That's where the MultiClassroom feature comes in handy. The MultiClassroom is where you can minimize each active item you are currently using for your class. To avoid the overcrowdedness of the number of items on your feed at a time, you can add up to 3 items at a time to a single classroom. You will have the ability to create more classroom when you click the square icon to the right to create a new classroom to add another 3 items into. You can rename each classroom to be more organized, and you can create up to 18 classrooms. For updates, newest items, and tutorials, join our community by creating a free account with us at CamSKOOL.com. You can follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. All the links are included in this video's description below. Thanks for watching so much, and we look forward to hearing from you.